How to use the remote printing service at Springfield Public Library. This service allows you to send print jobs to the library from your home, a parking lot, or anywhere you can access the internet. The quickest option is to first download or save your file to your computer or smart device. If it is attached to an email, click it and then select Download or Save. Then go to wheremindsgrow.org and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the green Remote Print button. Choose if you would like to print in black and white or colour. Enter your email address and then browse to find the file you wish to print. Click the grey Play button. Enter the number of copies you would like to print and decide if you would like to print all pages or just a selection. Again, click the grey Play button. The program will tell you how many pages you are printing and remind you of the cost per page. At this time, patrons receive 10 free black and white pages per day. Printing in colour costs 25 cents per page and there are no free pages. These prices may have changed since recording. Click the green Printer button. Stay on this page until the text under Document Status has changed to say, "Your request has been processed." Record the 6-figure green number. This is your release code. You will provide this number to staff when you come to the library to collect your document. See our website or call the library on 541-726-3766 for current pickup hours. If you lose this number, you will also receive it as an email. Alternately, if you wish to print the text of an email or you are unable to download the document to your device, again go to wheremindsgrow.org. Under Using Your Library, select Library Services. Under Computers and Printing, select Print Remotely. Scroll down to the Forwarding an Email option. If you wish to print in black and white, please forward your email to springfield-public-lib-bw@printspots.com. If you wish to print in colour, please forward your email to springfield-public-lib-cl@printspots.com. Once processed, you will receive an email with your 6-digit release code. Please note that while normally this email is sent within a few minutes, it can take up to an hour. Once again, come to the library during pickup times to collect your documents. See our website or call 541-726-3766 for current pickup hours or for help with sending your documents to print. Thank you for supporting your Springfield Public Library.